Hello student, today we study about the sources of water for plants. So there are four type of water according to source. The first is hygroscopic water, second combined water, third gravitational water and fourth capillary water. So first one, hygroscopic water. The water which held very tightly around the soil particle by adhesive force is called as hygroscopic water. So adhesive force means the force between two different molecule. So the force between water molecule and the capillary as well as the cell of plant. So this is adhesive force. The second one, combined water. The water present in the form of hydrated oxides of silicon, aluminium. These are called as combined water. So hygroscopic and combined water is also called bound water and not available to plants. The third one, that is gravitational water. Due to gravitational force, some amount of water goes down through large pores between the soil particle and reaches the water table. So it goes beyond the reach of most of the plant. The fourth one, that is capillary water. So capillary water, it is in between the small non-colloidal soil particle. Very fine space or capillaries are present. So this water held in these spaces is also called as capillary water. It is